Hello from Lyceum Global. July is in full swing, and so is our mission to shine with purpose and grace. This summer, our team has been hard at work spreading joy, inspiration, and transformation to youth across the globe. And we're excited to share some highlights with you. We kicked off the season with our great summer camp at Van Houston Academy, where 60 incredible students ages 10 to 12 learned how to practice grace toward the environment. From character building workshops to environmental education, the camper explored what it meant to live with gratitude, respect, accountability, courage, and engagement. The camp ended on a high note with a joyful graduation celebration. Each team proudly unveiled a sculpture made entirely from recycled and waste materials, transforming trash into powerful messages of creativity, teamwork, and environmental stewardship. Next up, we launched our sixth annual virtual summer camp, The Sound of Grace, serving 60 teens from across Vietnam. This camp helps young leaders aged 14 to 18 connect deeply with their identity, resilience, and purpose through the grace values. Thanks to our amazing intern team, 4 of whom are still in high school, the program is already full of energy and impact. And we're not stopping there. In August, we will join hands with ICVN, VCSA, and Gen XTX for the second annual Youth Empowerment Summit. This powerful 3-day experience will uplift AAPI youth and young adults in Houston with the theme, Who I Am, Make a Difference. Our journey continues with vision and clarity. At our recent board retreat, we renew our commitment to building a world where youth, whether in the US, Vietnam, or anywhere in the world, have access to education, life skills, and personal growth through grace. This July, may you find time to rest, to reflect, and to reconnect with yourself, with your loved ones, and the world around you. We are reminded that no matter our skin color, background, or beliefs, we are one. And together, we shine brighter. From all of us at Lyceum Global, thank you for your continued support. Because of you, the grace movement continues to grow across continents. Let's keep shining with purpose, with passion, and with grace.